Hello, please introduce yourself.
Hello, teacher. My name is Hảo Phúc. I is old. I'm from Vietnam.
What are your favorite clothes?
I play with blue and red.
What are your favorite clothes?
Um, t-shirt and trouser.
What do you wear at home? What do you wear at home?
Teacher
What color is your t-shirt?
is is orange.
What color are your socks?
Is green.
What do you wear when it's cold? What do you wear when it's cold?
Also
Mhm. What do you wear when it's hot?
a hat.
How many rooms are there in your house?
Um, sick room.
What do you do in the living room?
Um, um,
What do you do in the living room?
eating.
What do you do in the dining room?
Um, I'm eating.
Can you eat in the bedroom? Can you eat in the bedroom?
No,
Where is your bedroom?
no.
What are your favorite foods?
Favorite fruit, fish, and milk.
What have you got for breakfast? What have you got for breakfast?
Roast.
Okay, what's in your lunchbox today?
And banana, milk, and sandwich.
What food is good for your health?
Help, milk, and fish.
What foods are not good for your health?
Candy and
Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.